Good morning everyone, this is Maricel again, your real estate broker here in Cebu, and today's topic, we will talk about microblading. So ano ba yung microblading na sinasabi nila? Okay, microblading is a manual technique and it is semi-permanent makeup na ginagamitan ng blade, ng small blade, para lagyan ng pigment ang ating kilay para magmukhang natural. So hindi siya machine technique. It is a manual technique na ginagawa ng mga microblading artists. Kung gusto niyo malaman kung paano gagawin yung microblading, please watch this video. So guys, please watch our 3 days intensive training by Giene with MARICEL Perales, a microblading artist.
Microblading, the first thing na mostly, if you ask people, pag sinabi mo, microblading, ano yung microblading? That's the first question ng client eh. Especially pag wala talaga silang alam. So, they will say, is it like tattooing? If you are selling your service, let's say, Mama, microblading kami. Magpa-microblade ka. The response from the public, most tatanungin, ano yan? No, don't do it like that. Dapat ganito, swing. Slightly swing. Like that. Or circular motion. Or the dot.
You know what teabagging is?
Pointerism, they call this. That's the other brows, embroidery, ombre, and the shading. That's the machine technique. Now,
I like that.
2D, 3D, 4D, 6D. These are what we call the microblading. Yes. It's a manual technique. When we say a manual technique,
Well, I wonder.
no machine, no electricity of use. It's manual. So, okay lang. Because sometimes in the Philippines, grabe yung burnout. It happened a lot here. Sometimes nag-burn out din naman in the middle of the procedure. With the semi-permanent tattooing or anything involved na may sugat, the longer the procedure, the more na masakit siya. Para hindi masyadong masakit, you have to speed up the process sa microblading. So sometimes, let's say, the duration for the microblading is really 2 hours. 2 hours each client, especially pag first client. But, pag susobra siya ng 2 hours, by 3 hours or 4 hours, nag-wear off na si anesthesia. So, masakit na siya. Oh, so that's the advantage of the machine technique and the manual technique. So now, this is my eyebrows, for example.
Well, here.
The microblading technique is like this, manual. Manual siya. We have what we call the spine. There will be a spine here. And this spine is really useful. Kasi, with the microblading kasi, you have to follow the direction of the hair. So, this is the time na you go down. So, that's the time na pababa na yung hook ng client. So, the difference between 2D, 3D, 4D, 6D is like this. Alright. For the 2D, all the stroke is going up, all the way to the end. Kahit nandito ka na, you have to go up and up and up. That's the 2D. The 3D naman is this. This is the 3D and this is my favorite technique kasi you can apply to any kind of hair situation. So, pag ganon, basically, super, very natural yung result. And then going down here and then going down here. Pag ganon yun.
Yeah, so I'm a permanent resident. I got legal status. But they love her. They just love her. Doesn't mean for
So, like shade shading between. And then they call it
You have a new microblading.
60.
About 6 weeks training now.
Yeah, they call it 60 as well. So that's also the reason why I don't really use 60 as a technique, because there are already a lot of names out there na ginagamit sa lahat, and then they don't really use it. Because minsan sinasabi, Mom, what happened to your 60? It doesn't look like the other 60. Oo, so ganun siya. For the men's brows, basically the men's brows is almost like this.
The shading. Shape.
Huwag mong gawin yung
Lagi, dili pa
artsy
siya.
si man. Pero ganun palagi yan. Minsan din,
Parang straight lang.
since beginner pa kayo, I don't recommend you accepting clients na lalaki. Especially if they want the kilay for like a manly eyebrows. Kasi very complicated. Yung like, Mom, I want an eyebrows like a feminine at the same time a masculine.
Patay.
Yung hanapin yung feminine at the same time masculine. Ang mangyari nun, what I did is, linisin ko yung dito. But the natural mess sa baba, sa taas, I'll just leave it as is. Oo. But the shape itself, minsan because they want a little arch at the same time it's straight. Very complicated. Most of your clients ask them, Mom, especially pag bushy yung kilay, ask them, Mom, do you want me to shave? Okay lang ba if gupitan ko yung kilay? Because minsan, hala, tinanggalan mo yung kilay ko. Hindi ko na sana patanggalan. Sabi ganun. So, minsan you have to communicate to your clients because it's like, oops, sorry, Mom, di ko alam. Kasi nasanay kayo, kailangan tanggalan yung ano eh. You have to shave. But maybe the percentage like 5% out of 100. So the 95% pagpa-shave sila, but the 5% hindi nila pagkalaw yung existing eyebrows. They just want to fill in. So communication talaga. Because minsan magalit sila. My favorite one is the all you shape. This is my favorite. Why? Because it creates crisp and fine, clean, and easy. The most common number is 18 and 21. And for the, you can use this for all types of skin. While for lolas and lolos sensitive skin, super sensitive skin, mostly lolas, 7 and 9. This one, regular. Then the hard needle. What is hard? Stainless. Matigas, that's right. The hard needle, you can only use this pag client block. So, first, look at the midline. When I say the midline, this is the middle. The midline of the okay?
Okay.
That's the midline. That's the first thing. Between the eyes. That's the mid-center.
Sa ilong. Baba.
Yes.
Here. That's the middle.
Pag maganon ka, tapos hindi mo inform si client. Si client, ano yan? Bakit ang haba ng limon? Hindi niya alam, ruler pa to, ma'am. Takot na si client kasi hindi mo sinabi. Ma'am, sisimulan na ako, ma'am. Measure ako. Kasi nakaganon si client, naka-frown na. Hindi ka na naka-measure kasi inform sa ma'am, measurement pa to, ma'am. Just relax, just calm down. And then, touch the forehead. Kasi naka-frown na yun si client. Kasi takot eh. Touch it, mom. This one here. The entrance of the brows is the second. Okay? Entrance. Be here. Be here. Kailangan sabay. This is the midline. When you point the midline, you have to look. Pwede si ruler, hindi kailangan na diretso from here to here, to the nose. Okay lang kung you land the tip here. Because the most important part here is middle of the eyes. Both eyes, you have to look at this teardrop and the other teardrop and estimate the middle of that. Gitna. Next is the entrance of your kilay.
Here?
Yes. You have to ask the client, Mom, would you like close your brows or the layo na kilay, the far distance? Because some of the clients, they don't like it super close. So, in general, if the eyebrows is closer, it will emphasize your nose line. Diba? Ma-emphasize yung nose line. But, some clients, they don't want it. So, communicate to your clients, Mom, because some clients like, even though that's the proper and the best for her face, they were like, Mom, layo palagi siya, paduli pa. Wala, you're done now with the ano, so you have to add pa. So, during the mapping, communicate to your clients. What would you like if you have an eyebrows? You want it closer or layo? So, here. With the entrance, the farthest, ang layon, the farthest from here to here, kailangan siya at least level in sa eardrum. Level. If ayaw niya yung sobrang lapit. Ha? The farthest. Ma'am,
Here?
ayaw ko yung ano. Gusto ko yung
Kani,
malayo.
kani.
That's the farthest. You can go here, ha? Ano nangyari? Skila ni Ma'am half naman. Yes. Kailangan dito lang. That's the farthest.
Okay.
Kung gusto niya yung malayo. Kung malapit naman, if they want it close, depende din kasi sa nose. That's why most clients, they base it here eh. Sa nose. No. But, the only thing is some clients kasi, ang malapad tayo. Ma'am, gusto ko yung ma-emphasize yung nose line, tapos yung nose na dito na. Saan mo na-emphasize siya? So, don't rely on here, ha? Dito lang. Distance ka ng konti. Tapos, and also look for their little baby hair here. Ha? Kasi they have it eh. Not unless if they're really bold. But if if kasing bold sila kamarikin, okay, mahirapan kayo dyan. Wala talagang base. Pero, at least dito. Then, based on the very entrance, the little hair dito. Kasi yung mga maliliit na hair, baby hair. That's B. Sabihin, ma'am. B. So, A first, then B, then C. This here. This is the C. When you do the C here, you do the C there. Okay? A, B, C. Then, for the D, is here. Here, this is the D. D here, D then sa kabila. Ha? Then for the E, is gaano kalapad din si Giene. Okay, sa entrance. Dito.
And then, so you basically, well, what if I allow you to just not give me a damage deposit of any kind on my life, on my head, on my hair, on my phone, like that?
This is E. So you do the E here and you can put it there.
Ever existed?
So with that, I can't really discuss it based on the picture. I have to show it to you in person during the upload. Then after the E, we'll proceed to the F. So as you notice, this is the entrance. The entrance of your kilay. So, kailangan pantay all the way to the tail of your kilay. So, pupo. Pantay, ma'am. Tupo. Matuto ka dito ng Bisaya. Madami ko dito face duck eh. So, for the F, kailangan talaga siyang pantay. This is the F. Ito na si client.
Tigulang na? Nagsag na?
Sad.
Sad.
Sad face. Like sad face. Diba? Magkaiba. So, this is a big no na pa-down. Okay lang kung balance.
Paano straight lang siya.
It's okay din. Pataas ng konti ang tail. Hindi siya pantay. Hindi siya level. Rather, this is fine. Rather than down. Ha? Kasi may mga chinita din naman kasi gusto nilang dito yung tail. So, okay lang ganon. Then down. Kasi sobrang sad yung mukha. G, sa taas is G. The top, the arch of your kilay and the other arch, kailangan siyang pantay. Okay? So, you might
top of D.
Dapat pantay din siya.
A, B, C, D, E, F, then G. And there's may H pa. So for the H naman, it's the spine. Ganito.
Yung sa center.
Yeah, not necessarily a center. It's basically the base.
Yung roll,
Yes, this is the edge. And this is the spine.
I would like it to refer to dollars.
Okay? So now, mapping mo tayo. Connect the dot. This is the dot here where they cross. This is the dot here where they cross, and this here. And dito. This is the cross. Pantay siya from here, going down sa taas. Now, connect the dot. How do you connect the dot? Basically, ganito lang.
He can't do anything to me. He can't do anything. No, he can't. No, he can't.
Oh, asan yun?
Then, dito, acute pataas, then palit.
D and E. And then, asaan that?
So, the point is here. And here. And here.
Tan pa sa...
And here.
Ano taas sa akong D.
Okay?
Asa C siya sa D, no? Ano taas sa akong kilay.
For this stroke, ganito. What's the use of the spine? This one here. The stroke is ganito. Palabas ka ng konti. Then, start here. Then, ganito. So, kasi malaki si kilay. Ngayon, next. Dito sa gitna. Balik sa upos, sa baba.
Alternate siya.
Yes, alternate. Then ganito. Ulitin na naman.
So guys, I hope nagustuhan nyo yung aking video ngayon. And see you on the part 2 of this video kasi nag-hands-on na kami kung paano gumawa ng microblading, kung paano ginawa. So please subscribe and like, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell para every time I have a new video, you will be updated. Alright, so see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.